What is going, guys? It's a so welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, we finally got a different model. We've got this from CM Models, and this is the Ferrari LB488 GTB, and LB obviously Liberty body kit, Liberty Walk body kit, white body kit. Sorry about that, I do not know why I fumbled, but we had this, and I got this from my friend Samuel Wong. He actually gave it away at an amazing price. A massive shout out to him for always hooking us up with amazing cars. And this is an amazing vehicle, guys. If you guys know CM Models, they make very detailed cars, and it's one of the better ones. I mean, just look. Come on, guys, look at this. Do you not think this is gonna be premium? Obviously 14 plus, because this is more of a collector's item than a play toy. And here you have it, guys, the Ferrari 488 GTB with the Liberty wide body kit from CM Model. And we are gonna, I apologize for the background noise. I do not know why my entire neighborhood is being noisy today. No idea whatsoever, but we're gonna unbox this, and nothing's gonna make me get mad. And first things first, I just want to point out, look at the base. The base has a very carbon fiber feel to it, and I think that's what they wanted to go with, right? And then obviously it says CM Model right here, colorful miniature model, which is what CM stands for. Liberty Walk's logo right there. LB Performance 488 GTB. Now guys, I have a question for you. As a collector, do you just leave it like this, or do you remove the base and display it in your own display shelves? Let me know in the comments below what you guys do. I am trying to decide what to do with this car. I do not know entirely. So yeah, stay tuned to find out what I decide to do. And obviously we definitely have to get rid of the screw. We definitely have to take the base out and have a closer inspection of the car, just to be honest with you, and then give you a thorough review of the vehicle. So here we have it, guys, the Ferrari 488 GTB with the Liberty wide body kit. And the first thing you notice, it is slammed, and I mean she is slammed, guys. You can't even see the Pirelli logo when it goes up top. That's how slammed this car is. And obviously we've got the iconic Liberty wide body kit, the rear fenders, the front fenders, the side skirts right here. And obviously we've got the iconic line that says, imagine all the people living together, living in peace. A very common thing with Liberty wide body kits, and I think it's very nice to see this written at the sides. Obviously we've got the Ferrari logo, or Ferrari emblem right there. We've got wing mirrors. These are metal wing mirrors, but you gotta be careful, because a bit of pressure and this will snap right off. It happened to me before, unfortunately, and you just gotta be extra careful about it. Obviously we've got the gas cap right there, Liberty Walk written right here. And then the wheels do not spin. Obviously this is not a play car, it's more of a display car, so it does make sense that the wheels do not spin well. I'm not going to complain. These rims look amazing as well, you gotta agree. And if you look at the front of the vehicle, obviously we've got plastic headlight temples here and here. We've got a nice black stripe in the middle that ends towards the Ferrari logo that's supposed to be right there. Very iconic, very nicely done, very subtle split in the front. Obviously we've got side air ducts right there and there, which kind of add to the whole aerodynamic look to the vehicle. Obviously you guys know the interior. We'll get back to the interior in a bit. On the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. And I forgot to let you guys see, but the tires actually say P0, so these are Pirelli P0 race tires. I think they're race tires. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Another thing I want to let you guys know is this car is very light, because it's a display car. You know, it's plastic, so everything here is plastic, right? It's lighter than your normal cars, which I don't know how to feel about it, because I kind of like heavier cars, because it gives them the characteristic, it gives them this mean vibe to it. But I'm not going to complain. I think this, irregardless, a very nice car. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, here is where I love this. Has to be my favorite part of the car, because she's amazing, guys. She's girthy. Just check it out. Obviously we've got the iconic circular tail lights right here and here. We've got a very nice ducktail in this kit. Obviously then we've got the Ferrari logo right there. LB Performance is written at the tip of the ducktail right here. I don't think you guys can see, because my camera does not do any justice to this, but that's what's written right there. We've got the license plate that says it says LB Performance right here as well. We've got the dual exhaust and the F1 style brake lights right here, and an amazing diffuser at the back right as well. And as for the base, there is nothing at all in the base, guys. Nothing at all. It just says CM model right here, but that's about it. There isn't anything. It doesn't even say the scale, doesn't say what car it is. And I assume you don't really need to do that because it's on a base, so no one really sees the bottom of the vehicle, which I guess kind of makes sense. And like I mentioned to you, the interior of the car, just check it out, guys. We've got red seats, bucket seats right there, and the engine bay as well. That has to be amazing. Just check it out. You guys can see the entirely exposed engine bay right there. Very amazingly done. I think it's a very nice car to have in my collection. I'm not a huge Ferrari guy. You guys know I'm more of a Lamborghini guy, but a wide body Ferrari, who's gonna say no to that, right? And yeah, just like that, guys, we're gonna do a few ring shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we've come to another video. I hope you guys had an amazing unboxing this 480 GTB, the Liberty wide body kit. Now, for cars like this, for now I'm gonna leave them in the base. I am still trying to decide, do I want to leave them in the base or do I want to take them out of the base, get them their own display shelf or case, just so it will save more space. I'm not really sure. I'm still deciding on it. But yeah, as for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it right here. So you guys obviously know you guys have actually seen my other videos. Obviously, let's just get rid of that first. Obviously, we've got the 3 from Pop Race right there. We've got a Yesco from Daily Dakars SG. This is a commemorative piece to celebrate my 1-year anniversary. So obviously a little DIY project, which obviously that's why it looks ugly and stuff. I'm still working on that. Obviously we've got an Aventador right here. This Gamera, this Koenigsegg Gamera is very special to me because this is from my friend Sam Wong. And look at that. He actually signed it on for me. I actually asked him to sign it and she signed it. So this is going to be a very special piece. I'll do a future video on that sooner than you think, but not yet. Obviously I got this from Daily Dakars SG as well, and we did an unboxing on this. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to see more of such content. If not, let me know what other content you want to see as well. But just so that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye!